one-horse open sleigh. Over the hills we go, blasting all the way. Ha, ha, ha. Birds and blossoms wing, lily spirits fly. Fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Did you guys see Frank?
Yes, he's right here. Wait, are you allowed in there? Are you allowed?
You didn't mention anything, it's just started. Yeah, this is the first time, that's it.
Oh, we've got a little bit more going on here. I'd like to introduce Natalie from, she's the president of the chamber and owner of Chick-fil-A.
Hello, welcome. We are so grateful to have you all out here tonight. I don't want to be the one between Santa and the kids, so I'll just say I think this evening is a great representation of the strength and unity of the Towson community. So thank you all for being here. Thank you for coming. Go out tonight, have dinner, walk around Towson, enjoy the local businesses and all that we have to offer. Thank you for coming. Happy holidays.
And please remember to shop and dine in Towson and wherever you live in Baltimore County. Now more than ever, it's important to support our small businesses and restaurants. They need you more than ever. In a minute, we're going to have a very special guest come and join us, but I want to let you know tonight's not the last festivity we have. Next week we have Fire and Ice, where we'll have ice sculptures all around the street and fire pits, legal ones, chief, just saying, and come out and enjoy it next Friday also. So I think we need to count down for the tree lighting. Don't we have a couple other little ones up here? I know we have one, but I thought, Captain Schroeder, can you bring up your son? Guys, we're ready to light the official Baltimore County Christmas tree. Natalie, will you do the honors?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Come Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Next Santa and all his reindeer pulling on the reins. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. Sing your song, let's say your prayers, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. He's got a bag that's filled with toys for boys and girls again. Hear those sleigh bells jingle, jangle, oh what a beautiful sight. Something bad and tell me ahead, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. He'll come around and round, good say it's Christmas time again. These songs will come to all if we just follow the line. Let's give thanks to the Lord above, 'cause Santa Claus Claus comes tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. He's sitting on his reindeer, pulling on the rein. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. Hang your stockings and say your prayers, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane.
Here comes Santa
He's
Claus.
got a bag that's filled with toys for boys and girls.
Thank you, guys. Thank you so much, guys.
Did you get video of that?
Rocking Taco Cats, let's hear it.
Hey. How you doing?
Other than we can't feel our fingers, fantastic.
Oh. Well, dolls.
So we have our mini Pura Vida bowl. So it's acai, granola, strawberry, blueberry, and honey. And then we have some chocolate peanut butter protein bites.
Is it something like chocolate for free?
Yeah.
You want to try it?
Absolutely.
Go.
Love it.
There you go.
Thank you. All right, go on.
Run, run, Rudolph, Santa's gotta make it in town. Rudolph, he can hurry, he can take the freeway down. And away went Rudolph, whizzing like a merry-go-round. Said Santa to a boy child, what have you been longing for? All I wanted for a Christmas is a rock and roll electric guitar. And away went Rudolph, whizzing like a shooting star. Run, run, Rudolph, Santa's gonna make it in town. Rudolph, he can hurry, tell him he can take the freeway down. And then away went Rudolph, whizzing like a merry-go-round.
Boots, get up. Hey, Boots, one more time.
How you doing?
Paradise. Come on,
Huh?
Is there a video?
Yeah, like a tour. Yeah. We just got in a cookie.
We have oatmeal raisin and we have hot apple cider. We had hot chocolate, but we ran out real quick.
Yeah. How much they go for?
Oh, it's complimentary.
Oh, sweet. Oh, cool. Well, my hands are full. My friends the video. I'm gonna come get one. He's so happy. Yeah. Thank you.
come only used to, because we go home after Kate Mermaid.
Make sure we have our listening ears on still, Ellie.
All right, so we got to wave this